Okay, our lesson is about factoring polynomials with common monomial factors. Bago natin simulan yung lesson, let's have review first. Find the greatest common factor or GCF of the following numbers. So, pag kinuha yung GCF ng 18 and 30, dapat tandaan muna natin ano ba yung mga prime numbers between 1 to 20. So, here's are the prime numbers. So, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Ano ba yung prime numbers? Bakit sila tinawag na prime numbers? Pag sinabi nating prime numbers, dapat ang factor nila ay 1 and itself or yung sarili lang nila. So, kaya si number 2 ay prime number dahil 1 times 2 lang ang factor niya. Si 3, ganun din, 1 times 3. Yung 4, hindi siya prime numbers kasi bukod sa 1 times 4, meron pa siyang 2 times 2. 5 is a prime number, 7. 6 is not a prime number kasi bukod sa 1 times 6, meron naman siyang 2 times 3. So, yun yung tinatawag nating prime number. Dapat ang factor niya lang ay 1 and itself. So, let's have 18. Para makuha natin yung factor ng 18, we have to divide it into 2. So sa prime numbers, magsisimula tayo mag-divide or maghanap ng factor sa pinakamababang number para hindi tayo malilito sa pagkuha ng mga factors ng number. Okay, since 18 is factorable by 2, the other factor is 9. 2 is prime number, 9 is not a prime number. So therefore, 9 ay pwede siyang i-factor into 3 and 3. So yung 2, yung 3, and 3 are prime numbers. Kapag prime numbers na yung inyong dulo or yung baba, so yun na yung kanyang prime factor. So ang prime factor ng 18 ay 2 times 3 times 3. And then in 30, 30 is factorable by 2 and 15. 2 is a prime number, 15 is not a prime number, so therefore 15 can be factored out. 3 and 5. Since 2, 3, and 5 are prime numbers, therefore, ang prime factor ng 30 ay 2 times 3 times 5. Kapag nakuha na natin yung prime numbers ng dalawang numbers or ng given numbers, sulat natin siya ng ganito. 18, 2 times 3 times 3, and then 30, 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so then, hanapin natin yung kanilang common. Ano ba yung mga common sa kanilang dalawa? Yung mga common factors na meron sila. Since 18 ay may 2 and 2, and then 18 and 30 ay merong 3 and 3. So, 2 times 3 is 6. Ngayon, ang GCF natin ay 6. Next, find the greatest common factor of 12 and 16. Again, ito yung prime numbers natin. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 12. 12 ay factor ng 2 and 6. 2 is prime number, 6 is not. Therefore, 6 is a factor of 2 and 3. Dahil lang 2, 2, and 3 ay mga prime numbers na. Therefore, ang prime factor ng 12 ay 2 times 2 times 3. 16. 16 can be factored 2, 2, and 8. 2 is a prime number, 8 is not. Therefore, 8 is a factor of 2 and 4. Yung 2 prime number, yung 4 hindi pa. So, pwede pang i-factor si 4 sa 2 and 2. So, we have 2, 2, 2, and 2. So, the prime factor of 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's have 12 equals to 2 times 2 times 3. And then 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So kung mapapansin natin, hindi natin nilagyan yung 3 para mas madali natin makita kung ano ba yung common between 12 and 16. So what are the common factor between 12 and 16? So we have 2 and then meron din tayong sa pang 2. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. So ibig sabihin, ang GCF natin ay 4. Next, find the greatest common factor of 20, 35, and 50. Again, ito yung prime numbers natin. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. 20 is a factor of 2 and 10. 2 is prime number, 10 is not prime number. Not a prime number. So therefore, yung 10, pwede pa siyang i-factor into 2 and 5. Okay. So, we have 2, 2, and 5. So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, ang prime factor ng 20 ay 2 times 2 times 5. 35. Yung 35, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-divide by 2. Hindi rin siya pwedeng i-divide by 3. So therefore, pwede naman siyang i-divide by 5. So the first factor of 35 is 5 and then the other factor is 7. Since 5 and 7 are prime numbers, ang prime factor ng 35 ay 5 times 7. 50. 50 is a factor of 2 and 25. Then 2 is a prime number. 25 is not a prime number. So 25 can be factored to 5 and 5. 2, 5, and 5 are prime numbers. Therefore, the prime factor of 50 is 2 times 5 times 5. Okay, so let's have 20 equals to 2 times 2 times 5, and 35 is equal to 5 times 7, and 50 is equal to 2 times 5 times 5. Okay, what are the common factors between 20, 30, 5, and 50? So, we have 5 only. So, therefore, ang GCF natin ay 5. Okay, factoring out the greatest common monomial factor is the reverse of multiplying monomial by polynomial. Ibig sabihin, kung meron tayong factor ng polynomials, ang kabaliktaran naman nito is yung pagmumultiply natin ng monomial to polynomial. Katulad ng formula na to. So, multiply natin yung 3 times x plus 2. So, 3 times x equals to 3x, and then 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So, the answer is 3x plus 6. So, pag binaligtad natin, in factor form, bali magiging 3x plus 6 ang given. Ang factor form niya is 3 times x plus 2. Okay, so let's have example. Factoring out a monomial, example number 1. 3x plus 6. 3x. 3, kunin muna natin yung number ha, para makuha natin, kunin natin yung GCF ng numbers and variables. Since 3 is a prime number, so therefore, ang kanyang factor ay 3 lang. And then, we have also the x, so isusulat din natin yung x. And then next is 6. 6 is a factor of 2 and 3. So therefore, ang prime factor niya ay 2 times 3, or pwede natin isulat ng 3 times 2 para lang magkapat doon sa common factor. So ang GCF niya ay 3. Okay, so kapag may GCF na siya ngayon ang magiging outer factor natin. Ibig sabihin, yung factor na nasa labas. And then, hanapin natin yung isa pang factor. So, maglalagay tayo ng open parentheses, and then, i-divide natin yung 3x, i-divide natin sa 3. So, ang lalabas ay x na lang. Okay. Next, i-divide natin yung 6 sa 3. Ang lalabas ay 2 or positive 2. So, ang final answer natin is 3 times x plus 2. Example number 2. 5x squared minus 15x. 5x squared is, ang factor ng 5 is 5 times 1. So, therefore, we have prime factor of 5 only. And then, x squared, sulat natin siya ng dalawang x. Next, 15x. Ang factor ng 15 ay 3 and 5. Since 3 and 5 are prime numbers, therefore, ang prime factor ng 15 ay 5 times 3. Then, isang x yung isusulat natin. Okay, get the common. So, we have the 5 and also we have x. So, 5 times x is equals to 5x. Okay, so 5x ang outer factor natin. Open parenthesis. 5x squared, divide natin sa 5x, ang lalabas na sagot ay x. Then, since negative yung ating given, negative din yung magiging sagot natin sa factor. Next, 15x divide 5x, ang lalabas na sagot ay 3. So, ang final answer natin is 5x times x minus 3. Example number 3. 4x squared plus 6x plus 8. So, 4x squared, yung 4, ang factor niya ay 2 times 2. 2 and 2 is a prime number, therefore, ang prime factor ng 4 ay 2 times 2. And also, we have the 2x's. Dalawang x yung isusulat natin. Next, 6x. Ang factor ng 6 ay 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, therefore, ang prime factor ng 6 ay 2 times 3, and then isang x. 8. ang factor ng 8 and 2 and 4. Since 2 is a prime number, 4 is not, ang 4 pwede pang i-factor into 2 and 2. 2 and 2 and 2 are prime numbers, so therefore, ang prime factor ng 8 ay 2 times 2 times 2. Wala naman siyang x, kaya hindi natin siya lalagyan ng x. Now, hanapin natin yung common between 4x squared, 6x, and 8. So, ang common lang sa kanila ay 2. Wala nang iba. So, ang GCF natin ay 2. So, since GCF natin 2, siya yung outer factor, open parenthesis, divide natin yung 4x squared, i-divide natin sa 2. So, ang may iwan ay 2 and then x times x, x squared. Or 2 times x is 2x squared. Plus 6x, divide natin sa 2. So, ang magiging sagot ay 3 times x or 3x. Plus 8 divide 2. So, ang magiging sagot ay 2 times 2, which is 4. So, ang final answer natin is 2 times 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay. Example number 4. We have 25x to the 6th power plus 10x to the 4th power minus 15x squared. 25x to the 6th power. 25 is a factor of 5 and 5. Since 5 and 5 are prime numbers, so 5 times 5 ang prime factor niya. Then, ilan 6 yan? So, we have 6 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's. 10x to the 4th. 10 is a factor of 2 and 5. Since 2 and 5 are prime numbers, therefore, ang prime factor ng 10 ay 5 times 2. Then, so we have 4 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 15x squared. 15 is a factor of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are prime numbers, therefore, ang prime factor niya ay 5 and 3. Then, 2 x's. Okay. So, kung mapapansin natin, ang common lang niya ay 5 dahil yun lang naman ang meron sila na pare-pareho. And then also, we have the 1x and then the other x. So, 5 times x equals to 5x squared. Ang GCF natin ay 5x squared. Siya ngayon yung nasa outer factor. So, we have open parenthesis 25x to the 6 divide natin sa 5x squared. Ang lalabas ay 5. And then, ilang x yan? 4. So, 5x to the 4th. Plus 10x to the 4th divide 5x squared. So, ang lalabas na sagot ay 2. And then, we have x squared. 2x squared. Minus 15x squared divide 5x squared. Ang lalabas na sagot ay 3. So, the final answer is 5x squared times 5x to the 4th plus 2x squared minus 3. Okay, next. 16x to the 5th power y cubed minus 10x squared y to the 4th power. 16x to the 5th power y cubed is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Kasi ang prime factor ng 16 ay 2 times 2 times 2. And then we have 5x's and 3y's. Okay, next. 10x squared y to the 4th. So, ang factor ng 10 is 2 times 5. And then we have 2x's and 4y's. So, ang common sa kanila ay 2. And also, we have 2x's and 3y's common. So, kapag kinuha natin yung GCF, i-times natin 2 times x times y equals to 2x squared y cubed. Okay, so since yan ang ating GCF, siya yung nasa outer factor natin, 2x squared y cubed. Then, open parenthesis, divide natin 16x to the 5th y cubed divide 2x squared y cubed. So, ang may iwan na sagot is 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8. And then, ilang x yan? 1, 2, 3, x cubed. So, 8x cubed. Minus 10x squared y to the 4th divide 2x squared y cubed. So, ang matitirang sagot ay 5y. So, the final answer is 2x squared y cubed times 8x cubed minus 5y. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening and good luck sa pagsagot ng inyong modules. Salamat!